Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So on the channel, over the last couple of days, I've let you know about the YouTube Music Yearly Recap for 2025. A video will be linked. And yesterday, I also let you know about the YouTube Video Recap for 2025, which was YouTube's first personalized video recap. That video will also be linked. And it does seem like it's the season for recaps because now Google Photos is rolling out its 2025 yearly recap. So just a quick video to keep you guys in the loop if you are using Google Photos, and this would be of interest to you. And I know that some of you do like these recaps, so just putting it out there to keep you posted. So basically, Google says that your recap will highlight memorable photos and moments from your year, paired with graphics and cinematic effects. And next up, Google says, for those of you in the United States, so this next one is region specific, with Gemini features in Photos enabled, your recap will also showcase your standout hobbies and top highlights from the year. And Google says, we've also heard your feedback and added the option to hide specific people or photos. And then next up, Google says now you can create and share with your different apps. So how this would all work, according to the announcement, Google says you would just click the Edit with CapCut button at the end of your recap to easily export it to CapCut, where you can choose from Google Photos templates so you can make a version that's uniquely yours. And then Google also says that sharing your favorite moments from your recap is also easier. So at the end of your recap, you'll find a new carousel of short videos and collages from your look back that are made for sharing on social or to the group chat. There's also a new option to share your recap directly to your WhatsApp status. And then last but not least, Google says that you can also see a series of related highlights focused on 2025 in your memories carousel throughout the month of December, featuring some more of your top moments from the actual year. And how this is all going to work, Google says you can find your recap in the memories carousel starting this week. And if it's not there, you may see an option at the top of the app where you can request for photos to create it. After you've watched your recap, it will remain in the back of your memories carousel and will be pinned in your collections tab for all of December. So just take note of that. So recap season is upon us, and we also now have the Google Photos 2025 yearly recap rolling out this week. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.